go get lunchy. We're at the buffet and then we're gonna get this noodle bar. Alright, so we just had lunch and now I'm back at my room and I'm gonna check out the ocean view. Time to open this. It looks super pretty. Oh, look at this. My luggage open. We have a little couch here and then this is the vanity, a bathroom here. It's really nice. Right now we are food coma. In 30 minutes time we are going to the trampoline activity event, so I'm gonna change out of this. Anyway, these are not hickeys. I burned myself with a curling iron. I kinda wanna like take a nap, but I guess. Oh my god, super fun! Yeah, it was very fun eh, I love it! Oh. We just got done with the trampoline and then my friends are getting drinks and I got myself an iced water. We are going to Jamie Italian's later, so we're gonna dress up. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Hamza. I'm gonna be your waiter tonight.
Handsome?
Hamza.
Hello, handsome.
How you doing?
Okay, people already probably think I'm because so I'm cancelled already, so it doesn't matter.
Hey, Pasha's doppelganger, guys.
Hey!
You look good. Whoa!
Is it one more time?
Is it the Ferrero? Bumper car time! Good morning! Good morning everybody! Oh my god, last night was so cold so I had to just like wear another sweater. So now it's 6:39. We have to be at the surfing event at 7, so I'm just gonna put on some light makeup. Okay, I'm gonna change out of this. Ow! Okay. I'm done. Good morning! We're at the surfing event and it's raining right now. I'm excited. Oh, you look like a fuckboy. I do. Yes, you do. Oh my god, you look good eh. Shit. Smile on 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Ready?
Wait, what?
Oh, better like that. I'm gonna stand like that. I look better. I'm grabbing breakfast now. at the main cafeteria. We're wearing couple tee. We just came back from the surfing event and I want to show you guys the view. It's super pretty. Oh, look at this. We're in Indonesian sea right now. Super nice. Look at the waves. It's super duper coming. Super therapeutic.
Clap your hands, everybody! Everybody just clap your hands! Come on now, clap your hands, everybody! Everybody just clap your hands!
Right now, we are taking a break because we're done with the teppanyaki and then we are going for archery instead. So we're just like napping or I don't know, just free time right now. So yeah. Hello, Jeevan. This is like robots making our drink. We're going to Hey, are you buff, baby? Are you buff, baby? Yeah, Bobby. Amazing. Good morning, everybody. Today is day 3. The first activity is rock climbing. And look at the sky, guys. Super pretty. Good morning.
Good
morning. Wait, good morning with me.
morning.
Breakfast. Look at the spread. Hi. Going I fly now. This.
Okay.
So cool.
Okay, ladies.
Alaskan crab. Sorry, it's a liquid lobster. The food is quite exquisite here. I'm sure if I will like it. This actually tastes like brownies, cakes. It's like squid ink base.
Scotch bonnet pepper foam
Kind of.
after dipping. Okay? Suck.
Oh shit! I broke the glass.
Wait, what?
You like it?
This is good. This is shrimp. Like stuff inside.
So it's good.
Thank you.
What is the house? Yeah, and serve with a salted caramel hot sauce,
Wait.
which we will reveal what.
Ice cream.
Yes, it has a booster like this. The chocolate mousse, peanut butter cream brulee. Okay, I'm going to cut the apple from the Garden of Eden. That's a lemon curd. It has the lemon curd.
Okay, I'm gonna try this. Lemon curd.
Good. Yeah, good, interesting.
Hello friends, so now I'm back in Singapore and I just enjoyed my trip on the cruise. I really like it and I feel that like these 3 days has been really fulfilling, very fruitful, and I just feel like the whole experience is just really nice because it was my first cruise experience, and thumbs up 10/10, you have to go for Royal Caribbean cruise and just enjoy it, enjoy the ride. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!